This video is to demonstrate the use of the Peterson Silver Bullet Master Lock Padlock Bypass Set. The tools are these two here. They're both included in the set. One is marked SB3A and the other is marked SB3B. This tool is effective on a good number of master padlocks out there. It is not effective on all master padlocks. The first tool that's used is the tool that's marked B. You put the tool into the lock, past the pins, and at the end you push up, and there's a slot that can be felt. You will know when the tool enters the slot in the back because it's very snug once it enters. To put the tip of the tool into the slot, you have to press the pins up at the back of the keyway. It's in the slot now. The next thing is you take the A side, you flip the lock around, take the A side, the A tool, slip it in along the bottom of the keyway, and it too has a slot, and it's snug once it's in the slot. Now it's very easy to open the lock. You just press the two apart in this direction. I'll do that again. You press these two apart and the lock snaps open. You can see how the tools look once they're inserted into the lock properly.